Hi there, my name's Natasha Chan. Most recently, I was the Associate Director of Career Management at the University of Chicago's Booth School of Business, where I helped thousands of MBAs find internships and full-time positions. At the beginning of every school year, career coaches host programming to help students create a polished MBA resume. It's an exciting time of the year, but it can also be terrifying as students start feeling anxiety about the competitive job market and getting their foot in the door. After learning about the standard MBA resume, students submit their first drafts, and Career Services then spends an entire week manually reviewing each resume. I often wish that there was a way to streamline this process so that we could get to the meatier appointments faster, focusing more time on self-exploration and storytelling. If only I could go back in time and share Acrobat AI Assistant with my former self. Acrobat AI Assistant's ability to surface insights on uploaded documents can accelerate the resume and cover letter drafting process. With AI Assistant, students and career coaches can see how well of a fit a current resume is by entering a prompt like, rank fit for the role by comparing my resume to the job description, provide justification. AI Assistant can provide specific feedback on a student's qualifications and will give students a meaningful score to help them objectively gauge how a recruiter might view their candidacy. Students can continue improving their bullets in language by asking things like, based on the job description, is there anything I should add or take out of my resume? What are keywords in the job description that I should highlight? These detailed recommendations identify specific areas that could benefit from additional emphasis or trimming. The built-in citations point students back to the specific areas that the recommendations are referring to, so they don't have to search the entire document to try to find out what to update. Another one of the biggest mistakes I often see with students is when their cover letters just regurgitate what's in their resume. Leveraging AI Assistant, students can get some help creating a first draft or example to give them some inspiration on key parts of their experience. For example, they can type in, write a 300-word cover letter based on why my skills and experiences make me a great fit for the role noted in the job description. They can then copy this response into a Word document for further refinement. It's important to note that using AI Assistant for the job application process is not meant to replace critical thinking or take away from the experience of learning how to tell one's personal story. Students and institutions can be assured that privacy will be protected, as AI Assistant is only reviewing the documents that are fed in versus requiring a student to upload personal materials to the web. Keeping analyses within the documents also helps to reduce the likelihood of misleading and incorrect information. The tailored guidance from AI Assistant is meant to give students a launching point for further drafts and iteration, and hopefully offer some inspiration and feedback that they wouldn't have been able to get on their own. I still work with students every week, and my favorite part of being a career coach is helping others land roles that really make them feel excited and alive. I'm excited to see how these tools change the way higher education is approaching the job search, and looking forward to seeing more students thrive.